One of the joys of living in a space is we damage things. Putting big holes in your wall happens. Fixing them, not that terribly hard. We have a very common hole in the wall problem here today. You know how when you open the door and you let it just slam open? This is what happens to your wall behind the door. First, you take a putty knife and you clean up the edges. You don't want any flaky things coming off. You don't want any of this coming off. Go and grab a wireframe patch, take off the backing, slap it in place. A professional would use drywall mud, or joint compound is its technical name, but most of us have a little thing called spackle in our house, and it's okay to use that as well. The trick to making it look really good is to make your mud bigger than your patch. That way, your eye thinks that the wall is flat. Once your spackle is dry, all you have to do is sand it down till it's nice and smooth, and then you're ready to paint. That's all it takes. If you don't want to tackle it, lots of handy people would love to do that for you. It'll save you a lot of hassle and money on your deposit when you decide to move out.